Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for extreme northwestern Brevard County in Florida. This includes the city of Scottsmore, Central Orange County in Florida. This includes the cities of Winter Park, University of Central Florida, Maitland, Goldenrod, Seminole County in Florida. This includes the cities of Winter Springs, Sanford, Oviedo, Longwood, Lake Mary, Lake Jessup, Geneva, Toyota, Castleberry, southeastern Volusia County in Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Winter Springs, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sanford Airport, Midway, Osteen, and Maytown. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a strong building on the lowest floor, in an interior room such as a bathroom or closet. Keep away from windows. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body. Evacuate mobile homes or vehicles for more substantial shelter.
Over the top of Winter Springs right now. As a matter of fact, if we were even to, again, move off in that direction, if we were to even get a little bit tighter, we'll try to get some street selections in here for you, Pete. Why don't you just zoom me in a bit more? We just want to make sure we're careful. Castleberry right now, it's just off to the maybe east and the east-northeast of you, but like Murphy Road, as your Wagner area, you want to be really careful through here. Watch things closely. You're going to have some gusty winds coming to the picture here for you, and you want to be really careful of the wind-driven rains, okay? If you're going to be hitting the roadways, I'd stay parked, okay? Because when those winds come on through, and it can really cause some issues, of course, just controlling the vehicle, especially high-profile vehicles. But then you also have the heavy rains, water ponds up on the roadways quick, especially when it's at this kind of a rate. It can cause some issues. Let's go ahead and take a look at a view from I-4. This is I-4 at 436. And this is, again, as you head up to the north of Orlando, Altamont Springs area. It doesn't look too bad right there. There's a lot of water. You can see the trucks and the cars driving on through. And remember, water doesn't typically actually have a chance to really accumulate much on the interstate because they've done a pretty good job of making sure that things drain off well. But there's still plenty of it there. Make sure you have the headlights on, okay? And that the wipers are running. And remember, it's not just a suggestion for the headlights. It's the law. When the wipers are on, the headlights must be on. You're going to be breaking the rules if you don't. So that's where we have right now. But again, tornado warning in place because of that activity right down and through here in the Winter Springs area, trying to make its way on off into over toward White's Landing, okay? And looking at the potential for a little bit of rotation, Pete, and you're drawing it out just as I was about to draw with my hand myself. And there you go as we go and bring in the different aspects with digital Doppler X3, some wind shear elements trying to build here. And when you have that shearing wind, sometimes you can have a rotation. And
Yeah.
you want to be really careful with this. It may pass just to the northern side of Oviedo, but Pete, from time to time we see these, and they can spread out a little bit as far as the convection that's taking place, and you have to watch for the rotation sometimes to spread out as well some.
And that's certainly true, and sometimes we can get multiple rotations within the thunderstorm line. And